Hello everyone, myself Dr. Shivakant Pathak, here available with you to see one topic, that is the moment of inertia, here in chapter rotatory motion or motion of system of n particles. The moment of inertia has a great importance in a chapter rotatory motion and is required to understand with great concept. So its concept is required to clearly understand. So to understand the concept, be with us to see what is a moment of inertia. Moment of inertia is denoted by I symbol. Before understanding the moment of inertia, first of all we want to revise the concept of inertia. This inertia word used in linear motion. Linear motion or translational motion. Motion or motion in a straight line, we may say. This is terminology used in motion in a straight line. This moment of inertia is a property of a rigid body which opposes change of state. What is inertia? Inertia is a property of a body, characteristic property of a body which opposes the same change of state. What is the mean of change of state? It is rest to motion or motion to rest. Right? In mathematics, this depend on mass. High, more mass, more inertia, less mass, less inertia. We have seen this concept in Newton's first law of motion. Right? But here in the case of rotatory motion, we are going to see the term moment of inertia. See very carefully the concept. The concept of moment of inertia is similar like the inertia applicable in translational motion. So moment of inertia is used in, first of all, see rotatory motion. Inertia is term used in where? In linear motion, whereas moment of inertia is used in a rotatory motion, and it is also the properties of rigid body. Property of rigid body, right? Which opposes, similar, which opposes change of state in rotatory motion. Right? It is what? Rest to rotatory motion, or vice versa. If you want to bring the change of state from rest to the state of rotational motion or from state of rotational motion to rest, there are some property hidden in a body, rigid body, which opposes the change of state. This opposing property is called what? Moment of inertia. So similar, in the translational motion it depends on mass, but here moment of inertia depends on two factors mainly, and it is defined as first of all, see the definition. Before going through the definition, first of all we want to see the moment of inertia on which the body depends. So this is factor affecting the moment of inertia. It is denoted by I. See, what are the factors? These factors are first of all take in mind. We are going to see the first factor. It is position of axis of rotation. In a rotatory motion, there is one axis of rotation where it is the moment of inertia is depend on that value. Second, orientation of axis of rotation. Orientation of axis of rotation means how it is rotated about the given axis of rotation, through which angle. The third point on which the moment of inertia depends, shape of a body. Fourth, size of body. Shape and size. See very carefully. Here is one more factor on which moment of inertia of bodies depend, that is distribution of mass. From axis of rotation. This is a very important factor. The moment of inertia body is more if particles are away from the axis of rotation, right? Inertia in the translational motion is only dependent on mass, but see here, it depends on distribution of mass but distance also from the axis of rotation. So in a mathematical factor, it depends on two factors, that is mass and distance from axis of rotation. Clear? So hence moment of inertia I about given axis of rotation is defined as moment of inertia about the axis of rotation is defined as, how it is defined as, it depends on mass and distance. Sum of moment of inertia of all particles. So moment of inertia I of about given axis of rotation is defined as sum of moment of inertia of all particles in system of n particles, and mathematically it is defined as I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3 and so on up to nth particle. This is the formula to calculate the moment of inertia, right? One more definition is that, but how the particle, one particle defined? Here is one more thing added in this. Moment of inertia of particle, moment of inertia of a particle is defined as product means multiplication of mass and square of distance this is a perpendicular distance from axis of rotation. So in that condition I1 is equal to m1 r1 square, I2 is equal to m2 r2 square and so on. In that condition net moment of inertia is m1 r1 square plus m2 r2 square plus m3 r3 square and so on plus mn rn square, or this implies that I is equal to summation I is equal to n to n mi ri square. This is the moment of inertia of a particle. So this is the definition to obtain the moment of inertia. This is the mathematical measurement and its total mathematical measurement for the moment of inertia of body in case of rotatory motion, and it is property of a body which opposes the change of state in a body. So two factors is mainly responsible here in the mathematics: mass of a particle and its distance from the particle, mri square, mr square of the distance between particle and axis of rotation. So this distance is a perpendicular distance, right, or shortest distance between the particle and axis of rotation. Now see carefully. Students, see some more concept about the moment of inertia. That is, this formula which is I is equal to summation I is equal to 1 to n mi ri square. Here in this we can make a change if under a certain condition, if mass is equally distributed in place of discrete distribution. If it is equally distributed, then above equation can be written as I is equal to integration of r square dm. See very carefully. Equal distribution. In that condition, equation 2 can also be represented in this form. Here, moment of inertia of a definition we have seen. Moment of inertia is sum of product of mass and square of distance from the axis of rotation. This distance is a perpendicular distance. See from this formula, moment of inertia of a body about the given axis of rotation is equal to summation of product of mass and perpendicular square of perpendicular distance from the axis of rotation. This is one mathematical definition. One more mathematical definition we may give. Since we know that kinetic energy of rotation is half I omega square. Represent it as equation number 4. If we take omega is equal to 1 rad per second, if we take this, in that condition, moment of inertia becomes twice kinetic energy of rotation. So moment of inertia can also be explained by this. Moment of inertia about axis of rotation is equal to twice of is equal to twice of kinetic energy of rotation. If condition is given, if a rigid body rotates with unit angular velocity. What is unit angular velocity? Omega is equal to 1 rad per second. If it is moves, then this is one more definition of the moment of inertia. Now we are going to see physical significance moment of inertia. Physical significance of moment of inertia. To see the mean of physical mean of the moment of inertia I, see what we are going to see. We are dividing two sides. In one side there is linear motion, another side rotational motion. Rotational motion is here and here is a linear motion. We want to see the formula for kinetic energy of rotation, half mv square, and kinetic energy of linear motion, and it is kinetic energy of rotation is half I omega square. In place of mass, here I is used. In place of m, I is used. Right? This m is inertia. Inertia in case of translational motion or rotational motion. Mass depend on inertia. Here is I. So we may say that moment of inertia plays same role in rotatory motion as mass play in linear motion. Two facts we are obtaining. The fact number one, I means moment of inertia play same role in rotatory motion as mass play in linear motion. Linear motion means motion in a straight line, that is translational motion. Now the second thing, keep in mind, this is important. Omega play same role in a rotatory motion as v play velocity play in linear motion. So see very carefully, moment of inertia I, which is equal to summation mi ri square, or twice of a kinetic energy of rotation when it is rotating with a uniform angular velocity. In that condition, unit angular velocity, not uniform, unit angular velocity, then moment of inertia plays same role in rotatory motion as mass in linear motion. Since I is equal to summation I is equal to 1 to n mi ri square. This is, so unit is, m means kilogram, r is distance meter square, dimensional formula of it is kilogram, m length L2. ML2 is the dimensional formula. This is a property which opposes the rotatory motion. Mathematically it is I is equal to 1 to n mi ri square, or twice k when rotating body is rotating with unit angular velocity. So these are the concept regarding moment of inertia of body. Hence we can say that moment of inertia of body can be regarded as measure of rotational inertia in a rotatory motion. So moment of inertia I can also be said as rotational inertia. Students, this is about the moment of inertia term, concept of moment of inertia. This is for today only. Thank you and have a nice day to all.